Hello everyone, I'm Snazzle, and today I'm gonna explain you guys about um, how we can deal with the CSV data. Okay, like in the sense, actually this problem statement was given to me by one company, so I thought of okay, let's say this how I solved this. Actually, I didn't like okay, so let's get started. So see, I was given two data set that was in CSV. Okay, I can't show the data set, maybe it is like we can't. Okay, so yeah, so two CSV data set I was given, and a lot of rows and columns were there. Okay, and I they told me to train the LLM model, okay, with that data set. But the thing is ki we all know ki if we talk about the training part, then we need a lot of data set. Okay, so that's why it is not possible. So I thought of ki okay, let's go for RAG, we can use RAG. But the thing is ki for unstructured data like documents and text data, it is very easy to use RAG and all. Okay, but the thing is like here we are given the CSV data, and I just applied RAG. I applied chunking method, but the tokens was not that much correct. And when I was retrieving when I tried to retrieve the data from the vector database, I always get the bad result. Okay, so maybe I didn't go through the deeper like how we can deal with the CSV file. But I thought of okay, I don't think if for unstructured data like CSV, the RAG and training LLM is a good idea. For now I think like that. Later maybe I'll explore more, and I'll implement using RAG or okay. So I just implemented through the like SQLite. Okay, the thing is ki whatever CSV data I got, I converted it into SQL, um, like SQL database. You can say SQLite I use, and after that, but I used LLM also in that. Okay, I used LLM also. I'll show you the code. If you guys want code, I'll definitely I'll give you guys the code. But I just want to give the small overview. Okay, short overview. So how I solved the problem, like I used LLM, but for understanding the natural query, like user query. Okay, and the second for the first for understanding the user query, the second for generating the SQL query. Okay, so some LLMs are very good in generating the SQL query. Okay, so whatever the user will ask, you'll understand, and it will generate the SQL query related to that. Okay, and after that, it is going to whatever the data we kept in the vector data, like not vector data, was DB. Here I use DB, so it will extract the data from that. Okay, and after that it is going to give the output, which will be in human like only. Okay, so like total number of holdings for each fund, this was the result, and it gave the key insight. Okay, so this is all the example insights. And if you want to see the developer node, then you can see the like developer mode, then you can see the query also. Okay, what the query it is using. Okay, so you can evaluate this in a proper way. Like we can evaluate this because we have the what it call generated query, so we can evaluate. So for now I didn't evaluate, I just what it call evaluated manually. But yeah, but that is for today.